Good morning. Today we are going to learn subject logic and reasoning. And in this, we will learn about names of birds. So, you must have seen so many birds. Every day you can see, but here are some different kinds of birds. Some you must have not seen, some you have seen. So first one is vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Then second is sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Then we have dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Then we have parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And some people keep parrot at home also. Then we have flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. So there are 5 kinds of birds we are learning today: vulture, sparrow, dove, parrot, and flamingo. Now, here are some wild animals. We are again revising names of wild animals. So, first one is stag, S-T-A-G, stag. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Then we have kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Then we have chimpanzee, C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E, chimpanzee. Then last one is hippopotamus, H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. These all are wild animals, and they are very huge and they are very harmful, so that they cannot live with us. So they all live in jungle. Now we will learn some names of domestic animals. Again, this is a revision only. Already we have learned so many names, but here again we are revising some more names. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Then second one is cat, C-A-T, cat. Then pig, P-I-G, pig. Then we have donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Then we have goat, G-O-A-T, goat. They all are domestic animals. They can live with us, and sometimes they live at farm also. Now we will learn some names of aquatic animals. Already these also we have done, but again we are revising. So these are some different aquatic animals. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E, seahorse. Second is jellyfish, J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Then we have shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark. Then we have walrus, W-A-L-R-U-S, walrus. Then we have sea turtle, S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle, sea turtle. These all are aquatic animals and they live in water. Now we will revise body parts of a lion. So first one is ear, then eye, then whisker, nose, mouth, fur, paw, leg, tail. These are body parts of a lion. Now revision time again, some question answers. Name 2 wild animals that eat plants. So answer is deer and zebra. Second question is, which animal has black spots on its body? And the answer is leopard. Question number 3, which animal carries its young one in a pouch? Answer is kangaroo. Number 4. What do we get from a buffalo? Answer is milk. Number 5. Which animal is known as a faithful animal? And the answer is dog. Number 6. Which animal helps a farmer to plough his fields? And the answer is ox. Question number 7. Which is the largest water animal? And the answer is whale. Second question. Question number 9. Name a water animal which has a hard shell. And the answer is tortoise. Question number 10. Name a water animal that hops on land during the rainy season. And the answer is frog. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, and whenever you get time, always revise these names. Thank you.